The Acura TSX is a compact luxury sedan that was produced by Acura, Honda's luxury division. From 2004 to 2014, it was mainly sold in North America and was based on the European and Japanese Honda Accord models. Acura TSX generations and specs. First generation 2004 to 2008. Engine 2.4L 4-cylinder K2-4A2. Power 200 to 205 horsepower. Torque 164 to 170 pounds-ft. Transmission 6-speed manual or 5-speed automatic. Drivetrain front-wheel drive FWD. Fuel economy approximately 22 to 31 mpg city, highway. Notable features: leather seats, sunroof, premium audio system, heat headlights. Second generation 2009 to 2014. Base engine 2.4L 4-cylinder K2-4Z3. Power 201 to 206 horsepower. Torque 170 to 170 pounds-ft. Optional engine V6 model 2010 to 2014 3.5L V6J35Z6. Power 280 horsepower. Torque 254 pounds-ft. Transmission 6-speed manual 4-cylinder only or 5-speed automatic. Fuel economy approximately 22 to 31 mpg 4-cylinder, 19 to 28 mpg V6. Notable features: advanced navigation system, Bluetooth and USB connectivity. Acura's premium audio, adaptive cruise control. Later models, performance and driving experience. The 2.4L 4-cylinder engine was known for its reliability and rev-happy nature. The V6 version 2010 Plus offered more power, but was only available with an automatic transmission. The TSX had sporty handling, making it popular among enthusiasts. Common issues: all consumption 2.4L engine, especially in high-mileage models. Transmission issues, especially with the automatic in older models. Power steering problems. Suspension wear over time. End of production and successor. The Acura TSX was discontinued in 2014 and replaced by the Acura TLX, which combined the TSX and TL models into one lineup. Would you like details on a specific model year or a comparison with other Acura cars?